Do you need to pack nutraceutical products, granular or dusty or herbs, herbal teas, supplements, vitamins, and much more? In this short video, C.I.A. Packing Machines presents some of the semi-automatic machines that can satisfy a good part of the medium-small companies of the nutraceutical world. For those who need to pack powders and flours, the ideal is our BG Easy Combi with a combined weighing system volume weight that is much more precise than the classic volumetric system. The change of granulometry, size, humidity, and type of product don't affect it, allowing you to obtain accurate weights. Various accessories are available, depending on the product and on the container used. Precise and fast with manual loading or with pneumatic conveyor. On the other hand, if you need to weigh small granular products, like herbal teas and tablets, from a few grams to about 1 kilogram, our BG Easy Kiss Weigher will do it. Practical, simple, and fast. Available also with display touchscreen to set simply and quickly various parameters. With this version, you have also the counter function, suitable for many products, for those who have to pack products by number. Many different products can be packed with the same machine. Available various accessories to discharge easily the product inside the performed bags or into other containers. To seal the bags in the best way, we suggest our mini sealing. Available also with a touchscreen and inkjet printer for a professional printing. The mini sealing is suitable also for those who want to make small kits. If you want to seal vacuum bags, we have our professional semi-automatic vacuum kit. To discover all the news, C.I.A. Confession Nutrition invites you to visit our video channel, www.confessionona.it, and our official website, www.ciasrl.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.